Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim in Hefei. Viewers, now we are going to explore one walking street of Hefei, and this is the Huihe street. So we will go inside. This street has the modern and cultural both touch. So we will go inside, we will see and also share with you. Viewers, in the starting of this big street, here you can see this big building, and this is totally the traditional style building. A lot of woodwork is here, and it has 2-3 floors. And now these all parts of this building, they have distributed to different kind of the shops. Some are the clothing shops, drinking shops, and souvenir shops. Viewers, if you want to save the money, then come here. Here everything is with 10 RMB. All the daily use products you can come here. So they are also saying everything is with the 10 RMB. So you just go inside and see. Wow. Viewers, here if you come to this street, here you can have some amazing shops. Like you know about the brand Champion, there is the replica of Champion also. So you can satisfy your feeling with these cost-effective shops and pocket-friendly shops. So you can see they have very good things, the trousers, shorts, shoes, but this is the replica of Champion. Viewers, this is the big walking street. Really, when you come here, then you will feel it. Around you, there are a lot of shops. If you want to do the economic friendly shopping, and you can come here, you can have the replicas of big brands, you can have the real brands also. So according to your pocket, you can do the shopping here. Viewers, now we have entered in very amazing shop, and if you want to have the small or mini pouches of all the cosmetics, you can find from here. Like you see, here is the Maybelline and Nivea Mini. So these kind of the mini samples you can have, the body lotion, face creams. Obviously girls must like it. Viewers, here you can see, even though they have the testing counter also, and you can apply here. If it look good to you, then you can buy. Viewers, here you can see this is the Dr. Plant. Actually, this is one herbal cosmetics shop, and they use the natural resources and natural extracts to make the cosmetics. So these are very good cosmetics. If you like, you can come here and can buy from here. Viewers, we are now in one small street, and this is a food street and very lovely street. Here there is a seafood counter, fresh sushi here, the Japanese food. Also you can see here barbecue, some the traditional food of this area. Really, it's very amazing street. Viewers, in the middle of this street, there is one famous big pagoda of this area also. You can see here, it is a 2-floor pagoda. There are the stairs, and inside is the main statue, and people are going to praise and to worship. Viewers, now we are here, and here is one outside bazaar. Some small stalls are here. People are selling their traditional food, traditional products, some handmade products, and also some sweets, eatables, juices, they are sold here. Viewers, here is one sub street, and this is written at Zeno Street. So also you can see here are some small stalls, traditional foods, street foods, and you can have that fragrance of the freshly cooked food also here. So it's really so good. Oh, you can see the fried shrimps looking so beautiful like the flowers. Viewers, here you can see these are the dim sums, roasted meat. What is here? Oh yes, bakery products. And you know what is here? The famous Chinese tofu, the smelly tofu. Viewers, do you want to visit the cave with me? So I am going inside the cave. So come here. You can see here. It's really very beautiful and amazing cave. Viewers, when you go inside this cave, you will have one new word. Actually, this is one shopping street. And even you see Watson is also here. So you can come here, can do the shopping, and can also enjoy the nature. But within the cave, under the earth, you see, viewers, here are some kind of the beads, and on these beads there are the Chinese characters. So according to your name, you can choose these characters, and then you can have an wrist bangle or something, or necklace they will make for you. Viewers, here you can see this golden tower, and actually this is of the China gold, and here they are giving some kind of promotion today. Those people in the suit, they are giving the promotion, and there is one girl, she is dancing also. And China gold is very famous in China, and they give the 24 karat gold. So this is really very amazing performance and very beautiful tower. Viewers, today we have made you visit the big walking street of the Hefei, and really we enjoy it. And now this time we get tired because it is so big street. If you come here, must visit this street and do the shopping also from here. It's really very reasonable street. You can come here, you can enjoy the environment here, you can do the shopping here. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.